Welcome to our quick tutorial on using operators in a Latenode scenario. Today we'll walk through a simple yet powerful example that demonstrates how to transform data using operators. Let's break down our scenario step by step. First, we have our trigger node. This is just a run once trigger that kicks off our scenario when we click the button. Next, we have a JavaScript node. This node creates a parameter called value.js and sets it to May. Think of this as our initial input. Maybe it's a month we're working with. Our third node is a SetVariables node. This creates another variable called value.sv and sets it to October. This could represent some other data point in our system. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Our final node is a Webhook Response node. This is where the magic happens. We're using an expression that compares and transforms our data. The expression looks complex, but it's actually quite simple. It's saying, if value.sv doesn't contain a and value.js is any digit from 0 to 9, return value.js. Otherwise, return value.sv. In our case, since May isn't a digit and October doesn't contain a, the result will be October. This kind of data transformation can be incredibly useful in real-world scenarios. Imagine you're processing dates and you need to standardize the format. Or perhaps you're working with user inputs and need to validate or transform them based on specific conditions. The beauty of this setup is its flexibility. By tweaking the JavaScript node or the conditions in our webhook response, we can easily adapt this scenario to handle all sorts of data transformations. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to use operators in Latenode. Give it a try in your own projects and see how it can streamline your data processing workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating!